So I usually hear most creators share on YouTube how to get 1,000 subscribers within 24 hours, 500 subscribers between one day and all of that. And I keep wondering to myself, like, is this actually possible? Until I found out about this. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you, and I'm also going to be confirming that all of those creators that have been saying this is how to get 1,000 subscribers very easy, this is how to get 500 subscribers very easy, it's actually true. A lot of ways you can hit up your 1,000 milestone on YouTube, and it is very possible. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you one of the ways, like this is a proven way you can get up to 1,000 subscribers within 24 hours. Oh yes, you heard me correctly. And I'm going to spill in everything in today's video. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let us just get right into this video. So in this video, I'll be sharing a simple tool you can use to achieve these 1,000 subscribers. And yes, it is by posting shorts, but there is something really special and different about this particular tool and method of getting your first 1,000 subscribers. It is because it is an app you're going to use to perform this magic. So what this app does is you're going to upload a video, or you're going to impute a link of the video you want to make these shorts from on that app. And when you put this, it scans through your videos and picks out key moments, and it also divides this your video into shorts and gives you titles, gives you keyword, gives you a description and everything needed to go viral. That is not all, guys. It's also going to rate the chances of your video going viral on a scale of 1 to 100. So the higher the scale, the more chances of your shorts going viral. And this is how you're going to do this. You don't need to stress too much or brainstorm about how to get the titles, get the keywords and everything. This app will do everything for you. Now, this app uses AI to do all of this, all the integrations, all the keywords, the description, the title. It even gives you the title of that video. AI helps you to do all of this, and it picks out the very key moments of your video and post it as shorts. Now, there are options where you can upload it directly to your YouTube channel, or you can choose to download it to your gallery. So I'm not just only going to tell you about the app, I'm also going to show you an example that this actually works. So I came across a creator who shared this on her channel, and she also experimented it, and it works, guys. It actually works. So this is the channel that she talked about, that this person's subscribers count went from these numbers that you can see, 400, to over 1,000 subscribers within 24 hours. I was so surprised. I'm going to take you through step by step. So the name of the site you're going to use is called Opus Clip. You just need to go over to your browser and make this work. So I'll be taking you step by step on how you can actually achieve this like within minutes. Now, like this video, subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos like this, and let me just take you through. Let's just get right into this video. You're going to head over to your Google Chrome, okay, or your browser, and type Opus Clip. So once you type the Opus Clip, you're just going to enter. Now it's going to take you to this part. Okay, once you get here, you're going to click on this first option you're seeing. Click on it, it's going to bring you here. Now you're going to sign up if it's your first time, or sign in if you already have an account. So since it's my first time, I'm just going to click on the sign up icon. Then it's going to bring me to this part. So here you have the option of signing in with your Google account or using your email. So I'm just going to head over, sign in with my Google account. Now you're just going to give it access, okay, and click on continue. It's going to bring you here, okay. So what you're going to do, you're going to click on this close icon. So once you close it, it's going to also show you this place that says your free trial has started. So just click on this X icon, because we're going to use this app for free. No need to upgrade to the paid version. So it's going to bring you now to this part. So there are two options for you to get your video to this Opus Clip. The first one is this one that says drop a YouTube link, okay, or drop any link. It could be Rumble, it could be Zoom, or any link of your choice. That is the link of that video you want to get a certain clip from, or you're going to upload it from your gallery. So either one, you can choose any of these options on your screen. For me, I'm just going to drop in the link to the video I want to clip out, okay. So I'm just going to paste the link here because it's already copied. Now you see that the video has loaded here. So I'm just going to click on get clips in one click. So I'll click it. Now you can see project submitted successfully. Okay, so it's going to take a while for it to load. As you can see, it's going to be taking the information, taking the data from the video, looking out for the parts that will perform the best and all of that, getting keywords and optimizing this video to its full potential. So you're going to see these appear on the screen. As you can see, your first project is done processing. So as you can see, this is what this Opus clip has done to my video. It has given me a title for my video. It has also edited and given me the key part of this video, like the most interesting part of this video. It gave me a description to this video. Now this is the second option that it gave as well. New week, new vlog. This is actually my vlog channel, and you can see the rating. This is 70 over 100, while this first one, the rating of this one is 80 over 100. So that means this has a high chance of getting viral than the second one. So I'm just going to play this. Let us see. It's actually a vlog, Lydia Stanley's vlog. So this is the vlog. So what I'm going to do now is you can choose to publish this on social media, or you can export it, that is download it to your gallery, and then you can upload it to YouTube directly. So this is very, very helpful. And when you do this, you're going to be having lots of subscribers coming from your short, because it's going to make you to be very consistent with your short upload. And this is an amazing edge. So because I'm on the free plan, it gave me just two options. As you can see, it gave me just two options. But if I were on the paid or the pro version, I would, oh, these are even more, three options. It gave me three options for these particular videos, three clips from these videos. So if I were on the pro version, it would have given me more than that. So this is such an amazing tool for you to use to upload your shorts. It gives you keywords, it gives you description, it gives you title for that video, it gives you everything you need for that video to go viral. And you don't need to do too much. All you need to do is just upload your video. Now you can use your own content from your gallery, or you just input the URL, which is the video's link to this website, and that is all you have to do, and it does the whole job for you and send it out, and it reaches the right audience, and that's short clips goes viral. Now this is also an advantage because it's still going to help your long form video. Remember, you're going to get these clips from your long form video. Okay, so when you upload these shorts, in that part that says related video, you can actually put a long clip of that same video in that part, and this is how it's going to attract people to your channel to also watch your long form video. This strategy works, guys. Try this strategy and let me know what you think in the comment section. And I hope you watched this video. I hope you found value in this video. Thank you so much for watching up to this point, and I want you to click on the video on your screen, watch it, and I will see you in that video. Thank you. Subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos like this, and bye.